Hello, fellow crafters and paper artisans. It's Chandra with Stockton Stuff. I am here just to share, project share. I was on a step card binge today. So I have been wanting to use this. What is this paper? This is an Echo Park. Our Story Matters. I had bought this one, and I had another typewriter paper. And I have a Stampin' Up! Typewriter stamp and die that I've been wanting to use. So I've been kind of hoarding this paper, and I finally decided to use it. And then I don't know if I had mentioned that I had gotten this Craftsmith paper from Michael's on clearance for $3. And I just bought it because it had just a lot of kind of muted colors that I thought, I might use them for backgrounds or whatever. So I got a request for an anniversary card. So I did, and I made this one so that it would be 5x7. And so I pulled out, I actually used, what did I use from this? I used this page here, which has, I'll show you the one I cut. It has a lot of, forever and always, my heart is yours, growing old together, deeply loved, you are my today and all my tomorrows, and just a lot of little sentiments about love and marriage. And then I use the cut apart page because, why did I use the cut apart page? I don't know. Oh, because I wanted to pull out the rose gold. So I cut the strip of these candles, and then I cut this. This was 2 strips, and I made sure I cut it on each end so I would get that inch in there. So the rose gold and this kind of, I don't know, mosaic design. So actually on the cut apart, these 3 strips work together, and then I broke them up, and I like how that came out. And then I did jump in and grab another page because it kind of had a similar mosaic, and then I did a cut apart and stamped, and of course I had to put their names on it for my particular customer, and I had rose gold stickers, but also cut the lettering in this brush rose gold. So I like the way it came out, even in the bigger size. And so there's my first one. So for the typewriter ones, I actually made 4, but I cut 4, but I didn't stamp all 4. So I still have one that I haven't done yet, because these are specific for people. So I'm in this mystery swap. And right now I just drew a blank on the host, and each Sunday she's going to drop what the mystery item is for the week, and we have to make it. And then it's a long time because it's not over till May. And then we will get who our swap partner is, and we will send them all the things that we made. So I got to try to keep up with things. But the first week was to send the host a card. So this is her card. So I stamped the way it was, and it's thank you, thank you, thank you. And then I just put mystery swap and stamped some flowers from my, this is stickers, but this is a stamp from my stash. This strip here is a piece from my scrap bag. It doesn't really match that, but it wasn't in this collection. Let me put it that way. I think it matches fine. And then I wrote a handwritten note, and she also asked for ATC, and so I made a little pocket, and I'm going to stick my ATC card there. And then I did one for my customer, so I masked the heart and stamped happy birthday there, and then put her name on there, and then just typed a sentiment. And so that's that one. And then this one is for my friend whose birthday is late, but I actually saw her and took her out to lunch before her birthday, so I just didn't have her card done in time. So I stamped, I didn't forget your birthday, I'm just stretching out the celebration. and masked again and did happy birthday. Happy birthday is also in the stamp set, so I wish they didn't have the thank you in the heart so that you could type whatever, because it has several sentiments, so that you could type whatever you wanted in the on the paper in the typewriter. And then I put her sentiment on the back. Now this is a different blue. I didn't want to cut into too much of my 110 paper, so I just found another blue. And I'm good with shades of blue. I love shades of blue. I think it's pretty, and hopefully she won't notice that it's all different. But because this card takes half of an 8.5 by 11, so I could get 2 of these stepper cards in a in one from one sheet of paper. So I didn't want to cut into that second piece, and so that's just me being cheap. 110 is so hard to come by. I got it at Joann's before they started going out of business, so I just wanted to hold on to it a little bit because I'm not sure where I'm going to get my good paper from. Thanks for watching Easy Step Cards, and I will link a video, a couple of different videos if you'd like, if you're not sure how to make these. They're really simple. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.